good? In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use Wix to make a portfolio for free. For example, let's say you're a graphic designer and you would like to display your work. I'll be showing you how to create a website that you'll be able to do that on even if you're a complete beginner and you're creating your first website. The first thing you will need to do is go onto Wix.com. From there, you'll be able to create an account using your email address for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once on Wix and after creating your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Once you have tapped on Create New Site, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. And the reason why I recommend Set Up Without AI is by doing this, you have more authority and you have more options when it comes on to customization. From here, you can tap on Portfolio and you could get even more specific and scroll down. You can see journalist portfolio, film student portfolio, writing portfolio, digital media portfolio, art portfolio. You can scroll down. As you can see right there, you can choose the particular category that you would like to go in. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. Then from here, you're going to give it a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared. Once your dashboard has been prepared, you're going to tap on enter your name and you're going to enter your website name. So let's say, for example, I want to name this Jason's Portfolio. So I'll do that real quick. So I'm going to type that in. Then I'm going to tap on continue. Then from here, you can see the recommended apps. So you have the portfolio app, Instagram feed, and also I'm going to select blog. If it is a case that you like to share or stream or sell videos, you could tap on videos. If you plan on selling in the future, you could select online store. You can also see their booking apps and other various apps that they have right here. You don't have to add all of these apps at the moment, as I'll be showing you how to access the Wix app market in the future. So you're going to tap on continue. Then from here, you are going to tap on Start with a Template. By doing this, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix Website Builder. As with these themes, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time. So all you'll need to do is scroll down, and from there, you can select any one of these themes that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this theme. All I would need to do is tap on edit. After tapping on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once your website has been prepared, it is now time to start adding your pictures or whatever you would like to display on your portfolio. You can see it is also adding the Wix blog app. From here, if you wanted assistance with writing out content for your website, you could tap on the box and you could type in some basic information, and then from there the Wix AI will be able to compose article for your website. But if you don't want to do that, you can tap on the X to close out. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And now this is how our website looks. To start making some changes, the first thing I would normally do is go up to the header section, and I'm going to hover over that with my mouse cursor, then tap on Quick Edit. After selecting Quick Edit, you can edit the background color. You can also edit the name right here. So I'm going to change the name to Jason. Then you can also change the color of the text if you want, and so on. And you can also change the text direction and so on. It is quite easy to edit everything on the Wix website. For example, if you would like to change this section also, all you have to do is hover over it with the mouse cursor, then tap on Quick Edit. Then from there, you'll go over to the right hand menu option and you'll see the option to edit the title. You can edit everything, the section, background, and so on, as you can see right there. It is quite easy. And if it's a case that you would like to add something to your website that you don't see, all you need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. From there, you'll see all of the different elements that you can add. So if it is a case that you would like to add a box, any type of box, a container box, a hover box, if you'd like to add contact forms or pop-ups, you can do that. You can also add live chat, as you can see right there. Anything you like to add, all you have to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, then drag and place it to wherever you want on your website. And when it comes on to viewing all pages on your website, you'll go over to the top left hand corner right where you see portfolio, and you're going to tap right there, and you can see the pages that are currently on my website right here. So for example, if I were to tap on portfolio, it would carry me to the portfolio page. And if you were to tap on blog or so on, it will carry you to the blog page. So you can see the portfolio page right here. If I were to select the portfolio page, then tap on manage projects, you're going to see a pop-up window appear. From here, you will see the sample projects that Wix has added. So we can delete the sample projects by simply tapping on the box right here. Then we'll tap on delete selected, and that would delete all of the selected projects right there. Now to add a new project, you will tap on add project. Then from here, you could give your project a name, then tap on next. Then from here, you can add the description. Then you can add the project type, date, location, then tap on next. Then you will be able to upload your project right here. So you could tap on upload media from computer and you'll be able to add it. And it's as easy as that to upload projects onto your portfolio. You can also create collections or edit your collections by tapping on collections from the left hand menu option. From here, you can add a new collection by tapping on new collection. And as I said earlier, if you wanted to add a new app, for example, let's say after having your portfolio for a while, you like to start selling stuff or services online, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you could hover over apps, then you could tap on App Market. After tapping on App Market, you can see all of the apps that Wix offers. So for example, you can see services and events. From here, you could tap on booking, and then from here, you'll be able to offer your services by tapping right where you see the Wix booking. You could add the Wix booking right here. Or if it is a case that you like to add another booking app, you could scroll down and you could add another booking app. You can also sell online. For example, if you like to add sell buttons, if you like to create an online store or so on, you can do that. You can also add print on demand apps, and you can sell print on demand products if you want. Once you're finished doing all of this and everything is set up, all you need to do is tap on publish and your website will now be live. But to add payment options, you will need to go over to the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap right where you see site, and we're going to tap on my dashboard. So let's go back into my dashboard. Once in my dashboard, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on getting paid. Then you're going to tap on connect and set up. Then you'll tap on connect payment method. Depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I can offer PayPal and TiloPay. But if I were to change the location of my website to, for example, Canada, you'll realize that I'm now provided with a different set of payment options. As you can see right here, I'll now be able to accept Wix payment, PayPal, and if I were to tap on see more payment options, I can also set up Klarna, AAA, Afterpay, and so much more. But again, when it comes onto Wix, it is quite easy to use and customize their platform. And all you need to do once you're finished, you can tap on publish. But if you want to accept payments in the future, you will need to go onto one of their paid plans. But their paid plans are quite affordable. For example, if I were to tap on upgrade, we can view their paid plans. You can see that it starts off at $6 and it goes up to $12. And with the $12 plan, you'll be able to get a free domain name for 1 year, and you will also get a free SSL certificate. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.